Iggy Biggy.
Okay, this bridge here, this bridge on the nose, the one that supports the nose, which is this little line here, right? That's the center point. Is Igirebu, meaning the support of the nose, of the bridge, Igirebu. Which is this entire thing here, actually.
That's the part that breaks when you get into a fight?
That's the bridge that gets broken. So let me just see. Alright, so we move on to the next. We're going out with the mouth, right? What's that?
Yeah, it's a tongue.
That's a W. Right? Okay, this is Inyenye. Inyenye, tongue. Do we have it there?
Yeah.
Over there we don't have it.
Yeah, but it should be spelled with a U and an E at the end.
Do we have it there?
At the very bottom?
No, the word in English is misspelled.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is you, right?
Right. It's spelled in Chinese.
Okay. Now.
Papi, can I do that?
You can? You want to do this?
Please. Those teeth.
Okay. The teeth are.
She got that one, Cheryl.
Ari, the tooth, right?
What is the word for smile, please?
Oh, that's part of the mouth too, right? Ahaya chuni.
Wow.
You show me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, huh? Well, that's what it is. Okay.
Depend. If it's a verb, it's ahayacha. The verb to smile, right? Ahayacha. And then the noun is ahaya chuni. It's a smile.
So,
To smile, a smile. Okay. Okay. So we have the teeth and the tongue and the inye. Okay, now let me see how we can complete this thing here. Okay. Wow.
You are good.
yeah, very good. Yeah, I can see.
I don't know. Something like that.
You're a
good teacher, you know how to sketch.
More or less. It's up and mouth. It's hard to do it.
When I started teaching,
You model.
in my training, they used to say, so long as the children can tell you what it is, if they say whatever you have in mind, then that's it.
That's it.
You've done a good job.
You got
They just need to recognize it for what you intended to do.
Okay. This here, the lip, right, is Iyumaru. Iyumaru. Then, what about this part here? What's the name? It's called Iyumaru.
You.
Wait.
It's my fault. Okay? Iyumaru, Iyumaru. Both of them are called Iyumaru. Okay? Good. There is a place that covers the bottom of the tooth. Right?
Gum?
Yeah.
Jaw.
The gum, which is this part here. See, I left it on purpose. Right?
See.
Get a little of that. We're not gonna paint the lips. Okay, so this is how do you call it? What's the name?
Lububuari.
Got it. Lububuari. Lububuari. Okay? Lububuari. Do you know the origin of that word? Do you know the origin? It's hard, right? Okay. What else we missing here?
Jaw.
Kids, what's the name of this part here?
Tongue. Onion.
Kaliri? Okay. Bra, kaliri le. No, not the tongue. Kaliri.
Say it.
Inyeye. Inyeye.
Don't be afraid to sound those letters, you know.
Okay. Nisia?
Briseño.
Kaliri le.
Briseño y ñeño.
Ari.
Ari. Okay. Young lady?
Briseño. You can use that.
Kaliri le.
Very good.
Kaliri. Okay, yep.
Say it.
Iyumaru.
Iyumaru.
Iyumaru. Okay? Iyumaru is the iris.
Lips.
Okay, so we have the part of the mouth. Oh, what about this part?
¿Cómo se dice encía? Encía.
The darkest part of the mouth, what's the name?
Oh, wow. Iyumugu.
Close, 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 close.
Iyumugu.
Right? Iyumulugu is the internal part of the mouth. The inside of the mouth. Iyumulugu. Okay? Okay. Oh, no, mama, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ani hapuga. Dida frumet.